Hi guys, in this quick video I will show you how you can turn your old Android phone into a CCTV camera for home security. So you have to install security camera application from the Play Store. You have to open Play Store and search IP webcam on the mobile phone where you want to use it as a CCTV camera. So wait, it's now installing. Now you have to open the application that you have installed IP webcam. Now you have to start the server, allow. You have to install and manage scripts. You have to download all the scripts that are needed in this. You have to go down and click on start server, and after this you have to select the camera location where you want. The next step, you have to, after turning on IP webcam camera on old phone, you have to go to PC. Here you have to type IP address in the address bar of IP webcam. Let me check the original IP of phone and again retype IP on address bar. Now I have typed the IP address. As I type and press the enter. Now you can see the CCTV camera screen on your laptop screen browser. You can also paste this IP in another phone or another PC. It's very simple. You can zoom. Let me scroll down, and that is a video captured by other phone. Thanks for watching.